In today's video, I am going to teach you how to handle vector paths in Figma. First, open your design in Figma and navigate to the area you want to work on. Zoom in a bit so you can clearly see anchor points and curves. Precision matters when shaping vectors. Let's start by creating paths. Select the pen tool or press P. Click to place anchor points and form straight segments. To create a curve, click and drag as you place a point. That drag reveals bezier handles, which control the direction and strength of the curve. Longer handles create broader curves, shorter handles give tighter bends. If you want to close a shape, click back on the first point. If you are drawing an open path, simply finish your last segment and release the tool when you are done. Next, edit points for accuracy. Double-click any vector shape to enter edit mode. Here you can select and move anchor points to refine the silhouette, or add new points where extra control is needed. If a segment looks lumpy, try removing unnecessary points. Simpler paths are easier to smooth. Adjust the curve handles on each point to sharpen or soften transitions until the contour flows cleanly. When you need to bend an existing segment without adding points, use the bend tool or hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows while dragging a segment. This is great for shaping a gentle arc from a straight line or nudging an existing curve into a more natural form. Work slowly and watch how the handles update. Aiming for even continuous curves. To connect separate strokes, draw two open paths, select them both, and press Command-J on Mac or Control-J on Windows. Figma will connect the nearest open endpoints. If it links the wrong pair, undo, move the endpoints closer to your intended join, and try again. After joining, fine-tune any kink by adjusting the handles at the connection. When your artwork has many pieces, refine it with flatten. Press Command+E on Mac, or Control+E on Windows, to merge multiple vector layers into one. This simplifies your layer list and can improve performance, but it's more permanent. Duplicate your original before flattening if you think you'll need to edit the separate parts later. Finally, outline strokes to turn them into filled shapes. Use Command+Shift+O on Mac or Control+Shift+O on Windows. This is perfect for icons, logos, and prepping artwork for consistent scaling or Boolean operations. Once outlined, stroke width becomes part of the shape, and you can edit its points like any other fill. Practice these techniques together to draw, bend, join, refine, and outline with confidence. Thanks for watching.